So we're going to do an inner join, and I'll copy this and put this in our notes so that you have it. Generate values. And if you need to get to these notes, all y'all out in YouTube land, you go right here. Please hit like and subscribe. It's the least you can do for the effort we're putting in to provide you with this video. And so you got to these notes by going to this URL right there. And then we'll have all this code that you see right here in those notes by the time you're watching this. So now that we've inserted values, we want to do an inner join. So here's my schema. And here's my code. Let's join it up, baby. Select enter ee.ename, comma en.contract price from entertainers. Join. Inner join, join, inner join. What do I need, people? Inner join works. Can I just do join? I'm going to do inner join. I think I could do both. Inner join engagements on. Oh.
You need inner join.
As E. As en on E.eid equals to en.eid. That should be it, right? $100 records. Who did what and how much they got paid? Wookie, 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 Wookie. I think that's my favorite band name.
That's a band, Wookie Wookie?
Well, for this example.
Oh.
Wookie, Wookie. Calendar flippers is interesting. Well, could that have worked as just join? Spirit of adventure and exploration. Join also just works fine. And then what did we learn in the last chapter, y'all? Aggregate functions. I'm just wondering if there could be any trailing records, and there can't be because of my schema. Oh, there could be an entertainer with no engagement. So let's create an entertainer with no engagements. Insert into entertainers, values, and we stopped at the 10, so we'll do 11 and somebody, nobody loves. Right? They don't have any engagements. So now we could do boop, 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 boop. Left join, and we could get the people who are left out. Somebody nobody loves has had no engagements. So those are our inner join, left join. And if we did a full join, we'd get the same thing because there is no empties on the right. They are all required for an entry to be there on the right. Same thing. It's going too fast. It's actually just hitting the entry for me. There's the full join. Full join. Whoop. So those are our joins.